Hi, how are you? How's it going? How's it hanging? How are we feeling? Okay, so in my beginning your spiritual journey, I got such a beautiful comment from a girl called Tilly Av. And she basically said that she was beginning a spiritual journey and she would really love to see more videos. So I'm so excited for this because this makes me so happy. I'm so passionate about it. I love talking about it. I love sharing knowledge. So I thought this was only right. So I feel like this might be a little bit of a long video, but strap in, grab some coffee, grab some tea, grab some water, grab some snacks. So I realized I didn't save what the video was. So this is my insert of saying this is Crystals for Beginners / my little crystal collection that I have, and I hope you enjoy. I basically just wanted to give like a really rough introduction about crystals, what it means to work with crystals, and starter information pack on crystals. Crystals come in all shapes and sizes. There is clusters, there is raw clusters, there are spheres, there are palm stones. They literally come in all shapes and sizes, all different types of prices. So if you have a budget of $10, I guarantee you could find a crystal under that price. Crystal uses. You can literally use crystals for anything that you want. Meditation is a really great way to use crystals. When using crystals for meditation, I tend to just sit and, for example, I'll have just a crystal in my hand. You just begin your meditation. Again, crystals have specific meanings for specific properties. So if you do a meditation and, for example, it's all about self-love and really appreciating and feeling gratitude for your body, you meditate with a specific crystal that's literally just about protection. It's not going to excel the meditation as well as a crystal that's meant for self-love, such as rose quartz. So that's just like kind of an example. Crystals are also amazing for protecting yourself against any sort of negativity, whether it's energies or if you're doing a lot of spell work or witchcraft. It's amazing for protecting yourself against negative spirits. It's also really amazing for filling your space with really positive energy. So I love putting all my crystals around my room. I have one under my bed at all times, like under my pillow at all times. I have a whole bunch next to my bedstand. I have a whole bunch on my shelf, a whole bunch on my bookshelf, literally everywhere all over my room. I also tend to carry some small tumbles with me everywhere I go, just for that extra support and protection, I guess you could say. Following with that point, you can put them anywhere you like. A lot of people put them around their house, but I obviously live with my family, so they don't appreciate leaving my rocks all over the house. You can literally put them anywhere. Picking crystals, how to pick them. So I feel like there's a lot of misconception around picking a crystal. I feel like a lot of people will tell you that you need to be seeing them in person in order to pick them, and I just feel like that's so far from the truth. It all comes down to intuition, and it all comes down to what you feel so connected to. I got my first few crystals from a guy I met on Tinder with, and he knew I was into all this stuff. He went and brought me 2 crystals, and obviously I didn't go and do that, and I didn't tell him. Okay, I still didn't feel not connected to them, like I was, you know what I mean? Crystals can come from anywhere, from anything, as long as you feel connected to them. Pretty much only buy my crystals online. Now online, I mean on small crystal Instagram pages that sell crystals for really great prices. You can pick up some really amazing crystals for a really good price. I will leave some crystal pages down below on Instagram, and please check them out. They are so amazing. Like I was saying, it's all about your gut. It's all about your intuition. If you see something and you're like, oh my god, I need that right now, and that's like one of your first thoughts, you literally don't even have a minute to like look over it and see how beautiful it is. You just instantly like, oh my god, I need that right now, and that's telling you that you are connected to it, and that's telling you that you need to get it. I'm going to move into the very core basic crystals that you need in your collection, and you only need 3, and I can guarantee you can find each of these crystals for under $10 if you look in the right places, aka the Instagram pages I tag down below. Selenite. Selenite will save your life. When I first started collecting crystals, I was collecting a lot of amethyst and I was collecting a lot of rose quartz, but one of my good friends, she came up to me and she was like, I just went to this amazing crystal shop. This lady in the shop helped me discover what crystals that we actually need, and we need selenite. Like, you you need to go buy selenite right now. I was really into my tarot cards. I was really into, you know, little witchy stuff here and there. Selenite is all about protecting you. The first selenite I got was this palm stone. It's almost like just a white, almost transparent but not quite stone, and they come in all different shapes and sizes. So these are some of the ones I have. So that's kind of like a raw type of cut from a stone. This is just like a brick. And then this is a palm stone. Super pretty. You can get them really small. I have so much selenite, it's not even funny. When you first get selenite, keep it with you everywhere. And I guess this can go for all crystals. One, keep it under your pillow when you sleep at night because it will protect you. Start putting your selenite over your witchy things. For example, this is over my tarot cards at all times. I literally forgot to film the most important part of this entire video. I'm this close to crying. I had 3 crystals that I wanted to talk about, and I spoke about selenite, but I forgot to talk about amethyst and rose quartz, which are just as important as selenite. So to include into this little part of the video, one, I'm so sorry that I didn't film this part of the video. Secondly, amethyst, amazing crystal. It's great for balancing the third eye chakra. I'll insert a photo here of what it looks like. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer. It neutralizes the aurora, it neutralizes your body, it relieves stress, and it balances your mood swings, which is amazing. The other crystal I was talking about was rose quartz, and I'll put a photo here again of what it looks like. A crystal all about love, whether it's self-love, relationship love, friendship love, family love. It's all about trust and harmony. So if you are going through a bit of a rough time in a relationship, whether it's friendship, your self-love, it's perfect to meditate with and kind of neutralize that sort of tension between you and a loved one. It also opens the heart extremely well. If you're also looking for love, it's perfect to meditate with because it opens up your heart and it lets you become open to the idea of love and helps you attract love into your life. Continue with the video. My camera did die, but we're back. Labradorite, super pretty crystal. So pretty, look at that. That is stunning. This is all about connecting higher, being a lot more spiritual, connecting with your higher self, connecting with your guides, your angels, literally anything. I would definitely recommend this crystal a lot. It is so great for meditating. It grounds your energy as well. So again, like in meditation, it's all about grounding you, and that's perfect when you're in that sort of situation. It's all about change, strength, and perseverance, and it also balances your aura. Tiger's eye. This is a great crystal for protection. It's really great on focusing with the mind. It brings a lot of mental clarity. I feel like it also just brings to light a lot of stuff that has been hidden. It's used for a lot of healing, and it's used for a lot of psychological illnesses. So another great crystal is citrine. These again come in all different sorts of, that's all dirt on the back of it because I had it in one of my pot plants. This is a great stone for motivation, especially during this crazy awful time. Motivation is something that I feel like a lot of people struggle with, so citrine is really great for promoting and getting that sort of motivation every day. It enhances creativity and it also enhances concentration. So if you are working on a creative project or you're wanting to work on something a bit more creative and mentally stimulating but you can't find the motivation for it, this is really great to carry with you. It also helps release negative traits and energies and stuff like that. I only have a little tumble stone off it, but this is a clear quartz. It's similar to selenite in the way that it looks, but it's all the way see-through and it's completely clear. This is one of the most well-known and most worked with crystals. It has really powerful healing energy to it. It's also great to work with in work and meditation and stuff like that. It really enhances intuition and energy, helps protect you against negative energies. I'm going to show you some of the crystals I have gathered in my collection, and these are just like some of the examples that you can really build out to. So I feel insanely connected to ocean jaspers. I don't know why, I don't know what it is, but for some reason I've just collected a few ocean jaspers in my collection. So I have a few different types, but I'll just show you my 2 favorite ones. So I have a palm stone, which is just so pretty. It's stunning, like look at that, it's beautiful. And I also have this little tumble one. It's so beautiful. These are amazing healing stones and they're all about lifting spirits and energies. So if you are feeling a bit down, or you're not feeling the best, or you're wanting to just promote some positivity, these are really great crystals to have. They also help you release some negative emotions and feelings. Next are agate. These cleanse and stabilize the aura. They eliminate and transform negative energy. It enhances mental function. It also just soothes and calms you, which is amazing. And I feel like it definitely does do that. Polychrome jaspers. I saw this crystal and I was like, oh my god, I'm actually obsessed. So this is it. This is a sphere. It's so pretty. So many different colors. It kind of reminds me of like Mars, or I don't know, some sort of planet in space, even the galaxy. Like, oh my god. Like I said, this stone reminds me of Mars, and it is literally a crystal of fire energy. So it's all about embodying passion, vibrancy, action, and creativity. It's a really great grounding stone, so again, perfect for meditation. It's also a really great stone that connects you deeper to Mother Earth. Okay, and one of the last stones, this is my biggest fear that I have, but this is a moonstone. So beautiful. This is a great crystal about new beginnings. It's all about inner growth, which is amazing. It soothes emotional instability. It enhances intuition. It provides calmness, and it also promotes success, fortune, and inspiration. Such a beautiful stone to have. I really love moonstone. So that is all the crystals I have for you today. Again, if you would like a big crystal collection, because I literally have so many, it's ridiculous, I would be more than happy to film them for you. But other than that, I hope you guys really enjoyed. I hope it helped in some sort of way. The crystals are so amazing to work with, and they really do help, and they really do work as long as you believe it works. And again, I'll leave the Instagram pages down below that I use, and give them a look because they are truly amazing. They price their crystals really well. But anyway, if you did like it, make sure to like this video and comment down below telling me what your favorite crystal was, and if you're looking at buying some crystals, and what crystals are you looking at buying. And also make sure to subscribe because you need to stick around for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.